Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essential gear and opening the Recorder app. You need an external microphone plus a compatible TRRS adapter or a USB-C audio interface. Internal mics are not adequate. Once connected, open a recorder that supports WAV at 48 kHz and manual gain control. You should also set your phone to airplane mode and disable notifications to avoid interruptions. Make sure the app recognizes the external mic before moving to placement. That confirmation saves time and avoids redoing takes. Now you focus on placement and signal quality. You want the mic around 2 to 6 inches from the keyboard, angled to capture the hammer and key release sounds without hitting plosives. Once positioned, enable a low-cut filter if you hear room rumble. Set gain so the loudest hits peak around -6 dB to preserve headroom. You must record multiple short test takes and monitor them through wired headphones. Make adjustments to angle and distance until the test takes consistently capture the tonal detail you want. Finally, you perform full takes and secure your files. You should play consistently, record multiple passes, and mark timestamps or take notes for easier editing later. Once satisfied, export lossless WAV at 48 kHz and backup copies to cloud or SD card immediately. Make sure file names include date and tempo. If problems appear, troubleshoot. If clipping happens, reduce gain. If room noise persists, move the mic closer or use a contact mic on the piano body. If nothing helps,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.